A new and mysterious Chinese Trimaran vessel has appeared in the first clear image ever seen publicly, and it has immediately raised more questions than answers. The photo began circulating on social media only recently, showing the slender, black-painted craft resting in the water. A craft that looks part submarine, part surface ship, and perhaps something more advanced than either category. While the exact date is unknown, the location is almost certainly the Huangpu shipyard in Guangzhou province, the same site where analysts have been tracking the vessel through satellite imagery for months, hidden under tarps and surrounded by secrecy. For the first time, we now have a clean side profile of the vessel, revealing a design unlike anything currently in service. From satellite photos, experts already knew it blended elements of submarine and surface craft technology, but this new angle makes its submarine-like traits even more prominent. The vessel measures around 210 feet in length, built in a trimaran layout with a long central hull and two slim outriggers. Its narrow form hints at efficiency, though not necessarily extreme speed. Instead, the design suggests stability, reduced drag, and quiet movement, the kind of characteristics favored in stealth-oriented platforms. One of the most striking details is the shape of the sail rising from the hull, very similar to what you'd expect from a submarine. On this sail, what appears to be either a snorkel or an antenna mast is clearly visible. Combined with depth marks painted on the hull, it strongly suggests the vessel is capable of operating partially or even fully submerged. If true, this would make it a hybrid craft, something that can function as both a surface vessel and an underwater platform, giving China a new dimension in naval stealth capability. At the rear, observers have noted signs of a pump jet propulsion system, a quieter and more efficient alternative to a traditional propeller. Pump jets reduce cavitation, allowing a vessel to travel longer distances with dramatically less noise. If installed here, it would confirm that stealth, not speed, is the primary design focus. But perhaps the most important question is whether this platform is meant to carry a crew at all. With China rapidly advancing in unmanned maritime systems, there is a growing belief that this vessel might be fully uncrewed, or at least capable of uncrewed operation. If so, it could be a hybrid between an uncrewed surface vessel and an uncrewed underwater vehicle, functioning as a semi-submersible or even a fully submersible drone ship. Some analysts believe the craft is designed to operate submerged most of the time, surfacing only when necessary. Such a concept would give the Chinese Navy a stealth platform that could approach hostile coastlines, intelligence-gathering areas, or contested zones without detection. A vessel like this could sit low in the water, nearly invisible on radar, and then fully submerge to avoid surveillance or enemy aircraft. The big question everyone is asking now is, what exactly is this vessel built to do? One of the strongest theories is that the vessel is meant to function as an arsenal ship. For years, there have been rumors that China is developing a stealthy, uncrewed platform capable of carrying a large number of missiles. Instead of a traditional warship that relies on radar, crew, and large superstructures, an uncrewed arsenal ship could remain hidden below the surface, rise to launch cruise missiles or anti-ship missiles, and then disappear again. This would give China a powerful strike capability designed to overwhelm defenses and launch surprise attacks with long-range precision weapons. However, so far there is no clear evidence of vertical launch cells on the deck of the vessel. Without VLS, it is difficult to confirm the arsenal ship theory, though not impossible. China may have built internal launch systems that are not yet visible in photos. Another compelling idea is that this vessel might be a drone mothership. Instead of missiles, its internal volume could carry swarms of aerial drones. This concept mirrors emerging battlefield tactics around the world, where unmanned aircraft are launched in large numbers to overwhelm defenses or provide real-time reconnaissance. If this vessel is a drone carrier, it may deploy vertical takeoff drones, small kamikaze drones, or long-range one-way attack drones that can be rail-launched using boosters. This would allow China to project drone power far from its coastlines and into contested waters. There is also a possibility that the vessel is intended for special operations. A semi-submersible craft could insert special forces quietly into littoral regions, small islands, or sensitive locations. The United States uses similar low-profile craft for its naval special operations units, and China may be pursuing its own version for covert missions. Alternatively, the vessel could simply be a test bed designed to explore new naval concepts. The Chinese Navy is known for building experimental platforms, many of which act as prototypes for future designs or as research platforms to test new propulsion systems, submersible technologies, drones, or exotic sensors. Right now, the truth remains hidden. The vessel's role, its systems, and whether it has a crew remain unknown. But as more imagery surfaces and analysts continue to observe activity around the shipyard, the mystery is slowly thinning. China's naval modernization has accelerated faster than any other major power in the world, and platforms like this suggest that Beijing is not just building more ships, it is building entirely new categories of naval technology that may redefine future maritime warfare. This newly revealed Trimaran could become a long-range missile carrier, a drone mothership, a stealth special operations craft, or a stepping stone to a future fleet of semi-submersible unmanned warships. Whatever its final purpose, one thing is certain. China is pushing into a new era of naval experimentation, combining stealth, autonomy, and hybrid designs to create platforms that are harder to detect, harder to track, and far more unpredictable on the battlefield. As more information becomes available, the full capabilities of this mysterious black trimaran will eventually come to light. For now, it stands as one of the most intriguing developments in China's ongoing maritime expansion, a vessel that hints at new doctrines, new missions, and a new direction in naval warfare. This is Mighty Military, bringing you deeper insights into the world's most advanced military technologies. Stay tuned for more analysis as we uncover the secrets behind the next generation of global power.